channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about my kind of 7-step skincare routine. Now talking about 7-step skincare routine, I have been like, I tried following that, but then I did not get much time, and us people who are students, people who go up to work, we don't have that much of time, to get really into that 7-step skincare routine. So I have come up with my kind of 7-step skincare routine, which I follow say about twice or thrice a week, and it is really worth it. According to me, it's really worth it because I have tried it and I've been following it probably from the past year, I would say, and it has really been worth it. So if you want to know further about my kind of 7-step skincare routine, then please keep on watching. Also guys, for people who do not know me, hi, I'm Upasna and I'm just starting off my YouTube journey right here. So if you really like my videos, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. Okay guys, firstly I would go jump into my ghar ka kapra because I'll be like doing cleansing and everything, and it's not possible to wear this top right here and do everything like that. So just give me a minute. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just tied my hair right here. I kept everything over, and I just wore my comfy t-shirt at home, which I'm supposed to wear. So the first step we are going to talk about is obviously removing your makeup. Now if you don't remove your makeup and go off to bed just like this, then your skin tends to age a bit like 10 times faster than you are supposed to, then your skin would be aging, I would say. So for us girls who are students and who are staying at home, we don't apply that much of a makeup, but those who apply foundation, concealer, something like that, blush, I would say, highlighter on a regular basis or kind of a regular basis, you ought to like remove your makeup before you go on with your routine. So the first step is obviously removing your makeup. So for that I have this particular product right here. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is a really student friendly makeup remover. So I have this because at times I also tend to apply makeup. So this is like the bottle. I have used quite a lot, as you can see, almost about to finish. So I'm just going to take a cotton pad right here and apply a few drops, and we are going to cleanse and remove the makeup. So just look at the makeup. At times I need 2 cotton pads like that to remove the excess makeup, but today I think one will do because उतना भी नहीं है.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Okay guys, just look at it. Okay, I think I'm going to go for one more cotton pad to make sure everything is clean. I'm just going to pour it and apply it. This is a really important step, guys. Please do not skip this step if you're wearing makeup or say kajal or mascara. Also guys, for kajal you can take a q-tip like this and dip it in your micellar water and then remove it like this. So I'll be doing that also because I need to remove it better than aging faster. Oh guys, कितना makeup है. Alright guys, just look at it. It's really like bharti pura. Now I'm going to take again a q-tip for my eyes and just I'm going to do like this till it's soaked and it's soaked. So coming out. So Oof. Oof. So this is the thing right here. Just look at the dirt. Okay, so now we go to the second step. Now after removing my makeup, I feel like my skin needs a kind of face wash kind of thing. So I'm going to use the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This is the face wash right here. If you have seen my previous video in the Nykaa haul, I got this particular product and it's really good. So I'm just going to take a few drops. This is the amount I require, and we're just going to apply this right away here. The smell is really good, it's fresh, and for skincare routine you need not necessarily take all of the Korean beauty products, because I never do that and my skin is still fine. Like, people ask me that ऐसा क्या करती हो भाई that your skin is like naturally so good. So I do this kind of twice or thrice a day. Thrice is max. Like, twice I do. At times I do only once because I'm really lazy, and I'm just going to wash it, go right there in my washroom and wash it, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have kept my skin a bit damp. As you can see, it feels a lot more, clearer. So the third step right here, we have the scrub. So scrub is really optional. If you feel like at days you don't want to scrub, it will be like too harsh on your skin, then do not scrub. But then this is really important. So I have this anti-tan scrub right here. This is from Organic Harvest, and I'll just apply it a bit on my face and on my T-zone because my T-zone is really oily. So this is what it looks like. This is like a cream kind of consistency it has. It's really good. It's really mild. It's not, that harsh on your skin. So I'll just take a bit right here. Feels like you're applying a cream right there. So I'll just close it. And we're going to scrub. Just scrub for a minute or so. I'm just focusing on my T-zone because my T-zone is really oily, I would say, because I have a combination skin. Okay guys, so I'll just go and wash this off and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. If you can see, this is my skin and it's really clean and clear, and my skin feels really soft. So I'll just go on quickly onto my fourth step, which is toner. So toner in Korean skincare routine is really an important step, and they have like 7 steps of toning. So first step, it's like you swipe it across your face, and then you go on the third, fourth step, like second, third, fourth step. You have to just go on taking few drops and patting and wait for it to get absorbed. So that we really don't have time for. So we'll just quickly go into the toner. If you do not want a toner, you can also switch and go on with this L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence. This one, this is really good. I at times use this particular product, and at times I go on for the toner, but today I'm going to go on with this L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. So this is smoothing plus radiance. This just like does the job of a toner, so it's really good. I'll just take a few drops. there, and I'll just massage it first, not much, and then pat it. One thing Korean skincare has really taught me is to be gentle on your skin and treat it like a baby, because your skin, the skin on your face is like really soft, so you need to treat it very gently. So this is what I'm just waiting for it to get absorbed. I'll just go on patting it. As you can see, without applying anything, my skin is kind of, shiny and glowing, kind of, I would say. So this is what it does. Okay, so after this, we are going for the serum. Now the serum I'll use here is from Neutrogena. This is the Hydro Boost range. This is like really, nourishing and good. So this is the particular product right here. This is my second purchase basically. I don't know, it my camera never focuses. So this is the product right here, and we are just going to use it now. I'll just take 2 pumps, not much. Do not overuse a particular product. So 1, 2 pump. Now we are going to just massage it on your skin. Just warm it up between your hands and pat. At times you feel like, fine, I'll pat my skin and all everything, but when you're running late, you do like this and be harsh, but do not be harsh on your skin, because it really is very delicate. And yeah, so this was the 5th step right there, and now we go on to the 6th step, which is obviously the eye cream. Now for me, and I guess for Koreans also, everything like your eyes, they like tend to take care a lot. They literally take care of their eyes like a lot. So I also decided I also would take care of my eyes, because the skin around your eyes tend to age very fast, like faster than your entire face. So you tend to have like lines and crow feet and everything. So the eye cream which I'll be using is from Dot & Key. This is their illuminating eye cream. So this, I'll just take a few dots and mark it on my face. This is what it looks like. It has a gel-like consistency. Now I'm going to just pat 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I generally don't use utna bhi, but just 3 dots is all you need on either side of your eyes. Now you just want to put the minimum amount of pressure with your finger and just massage. I'll just do it here also. I always put the minimum amount of pressure. I always use this finger right here, but if I use this finger also, I tend to put a lot of, like, the minimum amount of pressure that is needed. So I'm just going to first massage it, then I'll tap it. So this is what we have to do. Very gently you have to tap. You don't want to be use a lot of force on your eye area. So this is what you have to do. Now this is what my eye area looks like. As you can see, it's really, soft, and it's like a bit shiny also. It feels like you're naturally glowing, which you will eventually if you go on doing this particular routine which I do. I follow it for around thrice a week maximum, because I also honestly don't get that much of time. So you guys, if you want to try it out, please do try it out. So now we go on to the final step, that is the 7th step, which is moisturizer. Now if you're like in the morning, you can use any kind of moisturizer which is hydrating. I use the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Anti-Shine Icy Gel. And at night I go on with this Lakme. This is their Hydra Fresh Hydra Pro range. So this is the night cream right here. This is really good, but as you can see it's daytime now, so I'll be using my Anti-Shine Icy Gel. I have finished it up totally. If you can see, it's all khatam. And I've also repurchased this. In my previous video you will be seeing it in my Nykaa haul. So I also don't spare my neck, because neck also needs to be taken care of. So now I'll just pat it first and massage. I always do this thing, massage then pat. That is the best thing. Always massage it upwards. And I'm going to just pat it right there. And finishing it, I would like to finish it always with a lip balm. This is not a part of the 7th step, but your 7th step is totally over, and you can see what your face looks like. I'll just come forward to show you guys. Just look at my skin, it's kind of glowing, and look at the shine right there. You feel so good. This is my face totally after the 7th step skincare routine. So this is what it looks like, and I'll just finish it off with my lip balm. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a very good lip balm, and I'll just open it. I haven't used it utna, but then it's almost khatam. Just see, pura khatam. This side is full and this side is khatam. I'll just use a teeny bit right here. So this is what my skin looks like, and I really like it. And this is what I've been following for like thrice a day, and my skin really feels good. And if you really want to go on with this, and if you want to try it out, please do try it out, and please let me know in the comments you liked it or not. And this is it basically. And at times what I do is, like, after I scrub my face, I go on with sheet masks. So sheet mask is like I apply once a week or twice a week, very rare. These are the kind of sheet masks I go for. These are the things. This is from the Face Shop, and this is from Dear Packer. Dear Packer one I honestly like the most. This is really good. This is the green tea and jasmine variant. And if I don't go for sheet mask and I haven't masked for a long time, then I would go for some mask like clay mask, charcoal mask, the Mamaearth C3 charcoal face mask, or this one. This is the L'Oreal one. This is the pure clay mask. This has some exfoliation pore beads kind of thing in the mask, and you can see this is the red algae one. So this is really good, and then it becomes like, it takes time, and this is like the 7th step. This one which I showed you right here, this is like for, you can do it every day if you want to. You can do it 4 times a day, 5 times a day, whatever you want to, you can do. And for the mask part, you can add the mask whenever you feel like your skin needs a bit of more cleansing, right? So you can go on with that. And remember, an eye cream is really important, and do not skip that step, and do apply a lip balm. And if you're going out, you can just follow it up with your sunscreen right here. I have my Plum sunscreen. So if I have finished like my 7-step Korean skincare routine, and I'll just go on with this, and I'll just go and step out, because already my skin looks really glowy and good, as you can see. This is what, just look at the shine right here. I really like this thing, and I am happy that I discovered it, and it's really working great for me. And you guys, please do try this out. You will literally love this thing. Okay guys, with this we come to the end of my video. This is what my skin looks like. Just look at it. It feels like glass skin, and I kind of try it out whenever I'm free. It's not a compulsion to go on doing this every day. So if you tried it out already, then please comment in my comment section below with whether you like this, and whether you really did it work for you or not. So with this I conclude my video, and if you really like my video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you in my next video.